In this week's video, we're making a batch of brown butter and Biscoff Rice Krispie treats. These are super squidgy, and we're toasting the marshmallows and Rice Krispies for extra flavour. Here's how we make them. To start, we need to preheat an oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We also need to grease and line an 8-inch square baking tin. I like to lightly grease the parchment as well, just to make it easier to remove later on. Next, we place 200 grams of Rice Krispies onto a large baking tray, then toast in the preheated oven until they are golden brown. This will take around 5 minutes. Once toasted, we set the Rice Krispies aside for now. Now we need to toast 400 grams of marshmallows. We'll be toasting them on a tray lined with foil to stop them from sticking. To do this, we place the marshmallows onto the lined tray in a single layer, then use a blowtorch to toast them. If you haven't got a blowtorch, you could do this under a grill instead. It's up to you how well toasted you make your marshmallows. I like them really well browned, as I find that this gives the Rice Krispie treats the most flavour. The next step is to make some brown butter. To do this, we cut 140 grams of unsalted butter into small pieces, then place into a large saucepan. Then we cook the butter over a medium heat, stirring frequently until it turns brown and nutty. Once cooked, you'll see that the milk solids on the bottom of the pan will have turned golden brown. This will take around 5 minutes. As soon as the brown butter is ready, we take the pan off the heat, then add in 150 grams of smooth Biscoff Spread and all of the toasted marshmallows. Now we need to stir the brown butter, Biscoff and marshmallows together until the marshmallows have just melted. The residual heat from the butter should be enough to melt the marshmallows, but if it's taken a while, you can place the pan back over a really gentle heat. Once that's all mixed, we add in the toasted Rice Krispies, then stir to combine. Make sure that every bit of cereal is coated in the marshmallow mix. Now we ship the Rice Krispies into the lined tin, then gently press into an even layer. It's best not to press the mix down too hard though, this will make the mix set too firmly. To finish, we sprinkle the top of the Rice Krispie treats with sea salt, then let them set at room temperature. This will take around an hour. Now all we need to do is take the Rice Krispie treats out of the tin, remove the baking parchment, and cut into bars. I find that a serrated knife works best for this. I like to cut my Rice Krispie treats into 12 bars, but feel free to make them as big or small as you like. And that's how to make a batch of brown butter and Biscoff Rice Krispie treats. The full written recipe can be found on my blog saltbuttersmoke.com. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another recipe.